Once upon a time in the delightful realm of Chocolate Fairyland, there lived two friends, Benny the Easter Bunny and Felicity the Chocolate Fairy. Benny, with his pink floppy ears and blue vest decorated with tiny Easter eggs, was known for delivering Easter surprises to all the children. Felicity, with wings shimmering like chocolate rainbows, had the magical ability to create the most scrumptious chocolate treats. One sunny morning, as Felicity fluttered around her chocolate flower garden, a mysterious scroll floated down from the sky and landed on her chocolate petal. Emergency chocolate mission, it read in swirly golden writing. Felicity quickly summoned Benny to read the message together. "Oh no," gasped Benny, wide-eyed. "The chocolate river has stopped flowing, and without it, the whole Chocolate Fairyland will soon crumble." The adventurous pair decided they had to save their beloved land. First, they packed Benny's fluffy backpack with chocolatey supplies, and Felicity dusted her wings with extra fairy sparkle just in case. Off they went through the winding paths of Cocoa Forest. The path was thick with chocolate vines, and their first challenge soon crept near, the sticky popcorn monster. He was known to gobble up travelers in chocolatey goo. "Stay close, Benny," whispered Felicity as they tiptoed past. The monster snored loudly, oblivious to the bunny and fairy. With hearts pounding, the duo continued their journey, keeping their eyes peeled for strange clues. Finally, they arrived at the chocolate river, but it lay silent, its banks dry. They pondered what could be the cause. Suddenly, a shadow leaped from behind the chocolate waterfall cave. It was Count Nougat, the trickster guardian of Chocolate Fairyland. "Ah, you seek to restore the chocolate flows? You must solve my riddles 3, he cackled, with a swirl of nougat under his cape. Eager to overcome the obstacle, Felicity and Benny focused their minds. "First riddle is," began Count Nougat, his eyes twinkling, "what can run but never walks, has a mouth but never talks?" "A river," exclaimed Benny. "Correct," nodded the Count. "Second riddle," continued the Count, "I am always hungry, I must be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red." Felicity pondered for a moment before her eyes lit up with cocoa wisdom. "Fire." Count Nougat clapped his hands with delight. "One last riddle, I have keys but open no locks, I have space but no room. You can enter but not come in. What am I?" This time, both Benny and Felicity looked puzzled. They paced, they pondered until Benny suddenly perked up. "A keyboard," he cheered. With every riddle solved, Count Nougat reluctantly waved his magic nougat wand, and the chocolate river gushed joyfully once more. Cheering in triumph, Benny and Felicity danced in delight as chocolate fountains sprung back to life, shooting delicious bursts into the sky. Easter Bunny Benny and Chocolate Fairy Felicity saved the day, ensuring that Chocolate Fairyland remained the sweetest place ever. And from then on, Count Nougat learned to be a bit more generous and helped to guard the land's sweetness with honorable riddles. The friends returned to their homes, tired but happy, already planning their next adventure filled with chocolate wonders and fairy delights. And they lived chocolate lovingly ever after. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories.